Meet Busby, the most energetic mascot of Brentford Football Club. He is large, yellow and black striped, with friendly eyes and small wings on his back. Busby proudly wears Brentford red and white striped kit. The bee is the club's traditional symbol and nickname. The bees, because of a chant from fans long ago. Busby is a very active mascot at the Gitek Community Stadium, always flying around, making noise and encouraging the fans to cheer even louder.